Alright guys, so thank you for coming to my channel. I'm so happy to have you today. So today I'm going to share with you a very good method, simple method to make money online with your Instagram account. If you have an Instagram account, you can do this. If you don't have an Instagram account, you can as well create an account today and begin to make money right away. Now, the product I want to share with you is about how to make at least $50 to $200 or $300 every single day, or even recurring profits or passive profit. Just, following simple, unique methods that have just been released by a friend of mine, Cynthia Benitez. And I'm going to show you how to get this product and how to, get access to it, these training videos on Instagram, and now you can start profiting with this method. Now, if you're not my friend on Facebook, go ahead, search for Navi. This is my name right there on Facebook. Add me as friend. Let's connect together on Facebook. I share some stuff on Facebook. I share some free stuff on Facebook, and you're gonna see, and you're actually gonna know more about me on Facebook. So if you're not yet my friend on Facebook, please go there, add me as friend. And if you're not yet following me on this channel, make sure you click on this channel and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out vital ways to make money online and some other things I'll be sharing with you guys. So click on the subscribe button and then let's get things profiting together while we are friends. So right now, this is the product I've been talking about, I'm telling you about, which is the Insta Jackpot. Yeah, the name is Insta Jackpot. It was actually, launched about 3 days ago, and the product is actually very, very good. Yes, it's not just very good, it's something that's going to make you money. In fact, it's going to show you 5 unique ways to make money with Instagram without having followers. Yes, so if you have an Instagram account and you have over 500 followers, 100 followers or 1,000 followers and you're not making money from it, then you need to get this product, which is Instant Jackpot, and then you see how you can make money from it. And if you don't have an Instagram account, or you have an Instagram account and you don't have any followers, Cynthia Benitez is going to show you how to turn that Instagram account to a profit pulling cash machine. Yes, she's going to show you step by step in series of videos how to make money on Instagram without having a single follower. And this is not just one method she's going to review to you. She's going to review to you over 5 methods. Yes, 5 solid methods, unique methods that you can actually use to make money on Instagram. And the good thing about this method is they are newbie friendly, and it's very, very simple to do. You don't need to build up a website, you don't need a hosting, no marketing, you don't need to grow your Instagram account, you don't need to run promotions on your Instagram account. Just very simple methods that she used to make money on Instagram. And the beauty of this, I want to make this a very good deal for you. So if you are picking up Instagram Jackpot through my link in the description below, if you click on the description, you're going to see a link to pick up Instant Jackpot. So if you pick up Instant Jackpot, and some people have actually gotten it, and in fact they are so happy for picking up Instant Jackpot through my link. So if you go ahead and pick up Instant Jackpot, I've prepared some awesome bonuses for you. Yes, awesome bonuses for you. One of the first bonus you get is you're going to get access, to my affiliate marketing, members area. Yes, this is a overnight pro marketer. This is where I teach people how to learn how to build a profitable email marketing business in just 10 days. You don't just learn affiliate marketing, but then I show you how to make money as a marketer, as an email marketer, promoting people's products and as well selling your own products. Inside this course, inside this members area, you get over 70 step-by-step, training videos that walk you through from the very beginning of setting your account, your website, your lead pages, your squeeze pages, and then your opt-in pages, collecting leads, collecting free traffics, how affiliates, build their list very fast, how to build a buyer traffic. There are over 70 hardcore videos that will put you through step by step on how to be a pro marketer overnight. So this is just one bonus you get when you pick up Insta Jackpot. And this access, you're getting a lifetime access to the overnight pro marketer community. Yes, you get lifetime access inside them. So I'm just going to send you, once you make your purchase, once you buy, Insta Jackpot via my link below, just reply my email or mail me, and then I'm going to send, or you message me anywhere you can find me, then I'm going to send you, you're going to get a mail from me to access your own members area. So you can see you're going to get inside module 1 all about affiliate marketing, and then module 2 how to set up your website, number 3 module 3 how to set up your squeeze pages. That's over 10 videos here, you can see. And then here you are going to learn how to set up your autoresponder, how to go about your newsletters and promotions, and then you're going to get a very important lessons from my coach. So, and then there are more, and you're going to get case studies, case study examples. I actually use what I taught my members. I used them, and then I built a list from scratch. I promoted them to my list, and then I made commissions with my list. And in fact, I promoted a product, and I actually, featured on the leaderboard of that product. So this is what I teach people, exactly what I do, and I gave out a lot of vital things inside this training. So you don't want to miss out this bonus. Just pick up Insta Jackpot, and then I'm going to add you up to, I'm going to set you up with your name and your email address, and then I'm going to set you up here, and then you have a lifetime access to this community. And I'm going to also add you to our group. We have a Facebook group where we connect together, and I spend all my time right there giving them everything they need to crush the affiliate marketing business. So also, that's not the end. I'm also giving you something special. I'm going to review to you one of my secrets on WarriorPlus, how I make money on WarriorPlus. Yes, how I earn as much as $200 to $300 per month on WarriorPlus. So I've made a very less than 15 minutes video, straight to the point video that reviews how you can make the one thing you can do on WarriorPlus without promoting affiliate products, and you can actually go home with at least $200 to $300 per month on WarriorPlus. So you're going to get access to that once you pick up Insta access, you're going to get access to my affiliate marketing community, the members area, lifetime access, and then you get a special video I made just for those who pick up Insta Jackpot that shows them how I make as much as this is just 6 days inside this month, so you can see just $32. But I'm going to show you now. I'm going to try and show you last month how much I made last month. So I'm just going to wait for this to load up, and then I'm going to show you. So I'm going to on demand print on demand niche into the you design the shirts, different stuff. So I'm going to show you how to banner templates you get for free. I'm going to also give you a how to make money selling nothing guide. It's a paid product. I'm going to give you a 4,000 print on demand t-shirt design. So in fact, number 12, get cash on demand. This product I sold over 200 copies, and I think 300 copies. So I'm going to give you this. I'm going to give you even more bonuses, source code period that you can actually sell. So in fact, show you how to make money on Instagram without any followers. With these methods, you can get one-time payments or even recurring payments every single month. So click on the description below under this video, the description section, and then it's going to bring you up to this page where you can pick up Instant Jackpot. So Insta will show you 5 unique ways to profit with Instagram without followers. Okay, so that's off now. Go ahead. You can see approve. She has approved for you to show her to show you that yes, this is what she does. So go ahead. You don't need to worry about Instagram growth. You don't need to worry about marketing your Instagram accounts. And this is not hashtag research or stuff. It's a very simple 1, 2, 3 method. You watch our videos, get inside our members area, watch our training videos, implement it, take action, and then you will get results. And once you pick up Instant Jackpot, I'm going to send you all my amazing bonuses that you don't want to miss. So go ahead, click on the description below. You see the link to pick up Instant Jackpot. You come over here, and then you can click on this link here, and then to bring you to Instant Jackpot sales page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, and then pick up Instant Jackpot. The price might have changed, or just go ahead. You're getting a whole lot of value attached to this. So buy this with confidence, and then in fact you have nothing to lose because there is 30-day full money back guarantee, and I'm also confident that this is very valuable and you get money out of it. So go ahead and purchase, and hit me up when you pick it up. I'm going to send you your bonuses as soon as I see your mail. So goodbye and have a great day. Stay safe, and then enjoy the rest of the day. Bye bye.